Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore the world of incredibly advanced industrial machines. Machines that are changing the way we produce and create products. Let's find out what these latest technologies are and what amazing benefits they bring. From 3D printers that can create complex shapes to robots that can work alongside humans, the industrial world is undergoing a true revolution, and we will witness these breakthroughs firsthand right after this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to never miss any videos from our channel. Have you ever imagined a world where we could create any object with just the push of a button? That's the power of industrial 3D printing. Let's explore the Stratasys F900, a massive machine capable of 3D printing complex parts with incredible precision. From product models to complex machine parts, the F900 can create them quickly and efficiently. Next, we have the HP Multi-Jet Fusion, another advanced 3D printing technology that uses plastic powder and a binding agent to create durable and highly detailed products. 3D printing technology has truly revolutionized manufacturing, especially in the automotive industry. Now manufacturers can 3D print complex parts like dashboards, air ducts, and even car engines. The aerospace industry also benefits greatly from 3D printing technology. 3D printed aircraft parts are not only lighter but also stronger, helping to reduce weight and increase fuel efficiency for aircraft. And we can't forget about the medical field, where 3D printers are being used to create prosthetic limbs, 3D anatomical models, and even artificial organs. Amazing, isn't it? 3D printing technology is truly ushering in a new era for manufacturing with unlimited potential applications in the future. Have you ever thought about robots being able to work alongside humans safely and efficiently? That's exactly what cobots, also known as collaborative robots, can do. Let's meet the Universal Robots UR5, a flexible and easy-to-program cobot. With its compact design and safe interaction capabilities, the UR5 can work alongside humans in a variety of tasks. Next up is the ABB Yumi, an incredibly dexterous two-armed cobot. Yumi is equipped with advanced cameras and sensors, allowing it to perform tasks that require high precision, such as assembling electronic components. What makes cobots special is their ability to incorporate artificial intelligence. Thanks to AI, cobots can learn from humans and automate complex manufacturing processes. In modern factories, cobots are widely used in processes such as assembly, packaging, quality control, and even welding and painting. Cobots not only help increase productivity, but also free humans from boring and dangerous jobs. With the development of AI and sensor technology, cobots are becoming increasingly intelligent and flexible, opening up huge potential applications in the future. It can be said that cobots are the clearest evidence that robots and humans can work together to create a better future. To create sophisticated metal products, we need extremely precise and powerful cutting tools. And that's where fiber laser cutting machines show their strength. Let's explore the Trump F True Laser, a world-leading fiber laser cutting machine. With super fast cutting speeds and accuracy down to the micrometer, the True Laser can handle all types of metals, from stainless steel to aluminum. Next, we come to the Bystronic Bystar Fiber, another worthy contender in the field of fiber laser cutting machines. The Bystar Fiber is equipped with an intelligent control system and an advanced laser cutting head, allowing it to cut complex details with perfect quality. The outstanding advantage of fiber laser cutting machines is their extremely fast cutting speed. Compared to traditional cutting methods, fiber laser cutting machines can cut many times faster, helping to shorten production time and increase productivity. Not only fast, fiber laser cutting machines also have extremely high accuracy. The focused laser beam can cut extremely thin and precise cuts, creating products with a high degree of finish. In the automotive industry, fiber laser cutting machines are used to cut metal sheets to form car bodies, doors, and other parts. The electronics industry also uses fiber laser cutting machines to cut electronic circuit boards and electronic components with high precision. With outstanding advantages in speed, accuracy, and the ability to cut a variety of materials, fiber laser cutting machines are increasingly asserting their position in modern industry. Have you ever wondered how modern factories can mass-produce products with such high accuracy and efficiency? The secret lies in manufacturing automation systems. Let's explore Siemens Digital Factory, a comprehensive automation solution for smart factories. Siemens Digital Factory connects all stages of the manufacturing process, from product design to inventory management, creating a smart and efficient production process. Next, we come to Rockwell Automation, another big name in industrial automation. Rockwell Automation provides automation solutions for a variety of industries, from automotive manufacturing to food and beverage. Manufacturing automation systems help factories operate more efficiently by automating production processes, minimizing human intervention. This helps to minimize errors, increase productivity, and optimize resources. Not only that, but manufacturing automation systems also help factories collect and analyze production data in real time. Thanks to this, managers can make faster and more accurate decisions, improving production efficiency. With the development of the Internet of Things, IoT, and artificial intelligence, AI, manufacturing automation systems are becoming increasingly intelligent and flexible. In the future, smart factories will fully automate production processes from design to product distribution. In large warehouses and factories, transporting goods quickly and efficiently is a challenge, and the solution is AGV automated guided vehicles. Let's explore the KUKA KMP 1500, an AGV automated guided vehicle capable of transporting heavy loads of up to 1.5 tons. The KUKA KMP 1500 is equipped with an advanced laser navigation system, allowing it to move accurately in the warehouse without a driver. Next up is MIR Mobile Industrial Robots, a world-leading manufacturer of AGV automated guided vehicles. MIR offers a wide variety of AGV automated guided vehicles to suit the diverse transportation needs of warehouses and factories. AGV automated guided vehicles operate based on a laser navigation system and pre-programmed maps. As a result, AGV automated guided vehicles can move accurately to the required location without human intervention. Using AGV automated guided vehicles helps to improve the efficiency of goods transportation in warehouses and factories. AGV automated guided vehicles can operate continuously 24/7 without rest, helping to increase productivity and reduce operating costs. Not only that, but AGV automated guided vehicles also help to improve safety in warehouses. Using AGV automated guided vehicles helps to eliminate the risk of accidents caused by humans driving forklifts, creating a safer working environment for workers. With outstanding advantages in efficiency, safety, and operating costs, AGV automated guided vehicles are increasingly being widely used in modern warehouses and factories. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the 5 most advanced industrial machines. Hopefully this video has given you an overview of the breakthrough technologies that are changing the modern manufacturing industry. From 3D printers to cobots, from fiber laser cutting machines to manufacturing automation systems, and AGV automated guided vehicles, all demonstrate the remarkable progress of science and technology and the enormous potential for applications in the future. Don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to support us in making more interesting videos. See you in the next videos.